What up everyone, I'm Rich Mays Lopez and this is the Release Roundup brought to you by SoulCollector.com. In this week's show, we're touching on the top news stories, we're ranking the top 5 sneaker releases of the week, and we linked up with Zach LaVine to talk about his future with Adidas. Let's get into the news. After dropping a bunch of hyped collabs with Jordan brand Dancy is finally getting his own sneaker. Following up on a couple of leaked images that were definitely not a good look, Dancy took matters into his own hands and posted a picture on his IG. The sneaker is reportedly named the Legacy 312 and it combines elements from several different Air Jordans and the Alpha Force. Reactions have been mixed, but if we're keeping it 100, most people are calling them trash. So now that you've all had some time to think about it, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Is it trash? Is it fire? Let us know. Nike is finally catering to the female sneakerhead with the new Unlaced online sneaker boutique. Unlace will carry carefully curated women's only product which will include expanded sizing, exclusive releases, and exclusive collabs. Later this summer, Nike is taking this concept into the real world by opening Unlaced shops in select Nike stores around the world. So salute to Nike for finally stepping up and paying attention to the ladies. It's definitely been a long time coming. Virgil Abloh, aka the busiest man in the world, officially unveiled his newest collab with Nike, and it's not even a sneaker. It's a Nike Mercurial Vapor football boot. The boot is done in orange and white with the white polka dots representing the best spots to hit a soccer ball. PSG's Kylian Mbappe will be rocking the off-white collab on the pitch on March 31st, and it will drop later that day. I gotta be honest here and say that I never thought that we'd get to the point where we would be beasting over limited football boot collabs, but here we are. Pharrell and Adidas are expanding their basketball-inspired collab collection this summer and dropping 2 new colorways of the crazy BYW. According to the Yeezy Mafia, Skateboard P has 2 pink-based colorways on deck for June that are both similar in design to the super limited multicolor release that dropped during All-Star Weekend. Now, obviously, it's dope to see Pharrell expand his collection to include basketball styles, but remember, Kanye did promise us basketball collection, and 2-time slam dunk contest champion Zach LaVine is back this year and hooping for the Chicago Bulls. And it sounds like he's down for next year's slam dunk contest, and he just might be rocking some heat. Talk to me about Adidas growing up into the NBA.
Yeah.
What were you rocking back then?
I used to wear the Piranhas, Pro Models, the Gill Zeros, Chauncey Billups like PEs. We had a little bit of those because we were baby blue color. Obviously the Kobe's, the Crazy 8s, Crazy Ones. Those are some of my favorite shoes. The ones without the laces. Yeah. The ones that straight look like the Audi car. Those are some of my favorite.
Not many people like those.
I liked them. I was the biggest Kobe fan in the world though. So that's our generation of Michael Jordan. Yeah. So
what is your Adidas off the court collection looking like now?
Got all the Yeezys, a lot of the boosts. My closet's full right now. I'm trying to think. I'm going by. I got obviously the old classic shell toes.
What's your favorite Adidas sneaker of all time?
Pharrells.
Okay.
My favorite Adidas sneaker of all time.
On court?
Yeah.
And off court?
On court, I already told you guys the Kobe's.
Yep.
Off the court, that's what I'm trying to think right now. Stan Smiths is really cool. You can wear those with everything. The Yeezys, you can wear those with sweatpants. You wear them with jeans. You can swag them out. All the collections. Yeah. All Kanye stuff is hard, man.
Could you imagine yourself creating a signature basketball sneaker with Kanye West?
I'll let him do most of the work. I'll put my little logo or something on it. He put his logo on it, but you know most of his stuff is already banged. So
once you're feeling completely right, would you rep Adidas coming back in the slam dunk contest?
Yeah. So I mean I don't know. It's a big possibility. You know I like leaving things open. You know All-Star games in Chicago in 2020, so it's a big possibility. I might spice things up again and get everybody into it.
Let me pitch this to you. Yeah. You come back 2020 slam dunk contest.
Yeah.
You win it rocking Yeezys.
Yeah. Oh. Heard it here first.
Man, appreciate you.
For sure,
Thank you. And now for the top 5 sneaker releases of the week. Coming in at number 5, the Nike Air Max 98 Easter, aka South Beach, dropping on April 1st at a retail price of $160. At number 4, the KITH X Adidas EEA collection, dropping on March 30th. At number 3, the Nike LeBron 15 Fruity Pebbles, dropping on March 30th at a retail price of $185. At number 2, the Easter Air Jordan 11 Low, dropping on March 31st. And the number 1 sneaker release of the week, of course, the Nike Air VaporMax X Off-White Part 2, dropping on March 30th at a retail price of $250. Point blank period, Virgil Abloh is the most important man in the industry right now, and coming off of being named the new menswear artistic director at LV, he's back with another VaporMax that's going to be impossible to get, but definitely worth the effort. That's it for this episode of the Release Roundup. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're copying anything this weekend, best of luck to you. See y'all next week.